guys. Okay, so today I am going to try a new product that I got from Octoly. It's by colorwow, and it is their Dream Cocktail. I'm actually really excited to try this after looking at the reviews online. There were 102 reviews. I'll put some on the screen, and every one of them was 5-star. I mean, that's a lot of reviews on a product to get 5-star. This also won a bunch of awards and stuff too. So let's get the details out of the way. So colorwow is a dream cocktail. It is coconut infused, and it is for dry and brittle frizzy hair. This retails online for $25 a bottle, and there's 3 different varieties. I have the coconut infused, but if you have thinning hair, there's a carb infused one, and if you have brittle hair, there is a kale infused one. So you pick the one that suits you right. I actually do have a 15% off promo code for you guys, so if you go through my link, you'll get the 15% off. The claims on here is that it makes your straw-like hair silky, sleek, and supple every time you blow dry. It's activated by heat. It does have a heat protectant in it, so you don't have to use another heat protectant. And they do have a couple before and afters. I'm going to put one on the screen here that I found that are interesting. So, and honestly, my hair looks like the before picture if I just blew dry it and didn't straighten it. So what we're going to do today is we're going to try the product out, and then I'm going to blow dry. And first I just want to see, like with just blow drying, which is supposed to activate it, if it made my hair more silky. I don't know that I have a before picture of doing it without the product. I should have done that, but I will know because it's my hair, and hopefully we'll be able to visibly see that it's smooth, because my hair looks like a after it dries on its own, it looks like a poodle, and it's like a big bush. So it's just a big mess. So we're going to go through it, and it says that this was named the best treatment for colored hair by the Oprah magazine. It restores shine, silkiness, and with a leave-in serum, so you don't rinse this out. And it's rich in fortifying fatty acids and hydrating coconut oil. Apparently, it actually heals your hair from the inside out, and it turns blow drying into what is normally a hair stressing situation into a rich hydrating session. So, and you guys know, if you're new, when I get these products from Octoly, which is a platform for influencers, I get them to review, but I do not get paid on it. Even if you click the link, I don't get paid. The link is just for you so that you can get a discount. So if you're interested in the product after I show you it, go grab it and get a discount on it, which would be awesome. Okay, so it says we're gonna pump. It says 2 to 3 pumps. I have a lot of hair, so I'm gonna do 3. Well, when I was taking this off, I kind of feel like I broke the top of, oh, there we go. The top came up. Well, one did not do hardly anything. I think that was a half pump. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so there's 3 pumps right there. We're going to put this through the hair and reach it through the ends. My hair, I am putting it at the roots because my hair is actually dry all the way up at the top. If you just really have your problems down here, then focus the serum down on the bottom. But mine is, you can see right through here. It's really, in fact, I feel like I didn't use enough of it. It's not even getting, I'm gonna use one more pump because I just have so much hair. But my hair is dry mostly because of my thyroid issues. And this isn't going to do anything right now other than coat my hair. This is activated once you blow dry. That's heat activated. So you do have to blow dry to even use this product, or it won't help you, okay? Okay, you're gonna hear noise from the blow dryer. I'm gonna stop talking. I'm gonna blow dry my hair. Actually, I'm gonna brush this through my hair first, and then I'm gonna blow dry it. And I do have a wet brush that I'm using, wet paddle brush, which is what helps me kind of get my tangles out. But I'll probably just put the blow drying part to music. And it might still be a little noisy, but we'll do our best with this. And I'm using my small blow dryer, so we'll see how this does, because this is my travel one that I use that we got from BoxyCharm. So let's start blow drying our hair. Okay guys, so I finished blow drying my hair and it is so soft. Now one thing I noticed is this is definitely straighter than my hair's ever come out for a blow dry. Usually it's pretty monster, so it's definitely smoother. I do have a lot, you can see up here, a lot of breakage up here at the top, probably from straightening my hair and also just coloring my hair, and then it's just dry and brittle. So I think my hair, while it's definitely has benefited from using this, is going to also benefit from using the kale one for breakage. But honestly, I almost don't even need to straighten my hair. So if this helps me with like avoiding straightening or cutting down on how much I straighten my hair, it feels really soft. It feels like baby hair. So I am going to put a few, straighten it up, clean it up just a little bit more. And again, has a heat protectant in it, so it's not going to hurt me. It's actually just going to further sort of cement the hair product that I put in. So we're just going to, I actually now feel like I have the setting too high. I'm going to lower the setting. I normally need a really high setting on this to be able to straighten my hair because my hair is so thick and coarse. So this has definitely changed the game for my hair. And I mean, honestly, that's it for that side. I don't really feel like I need to, maybe right here at the bottom, I don't really feel like I need to do any more. Very nice. So it's definitely a fantastic product. I'm so excited about this. I'm excited to be able to use this. I want to try the kale for the breakage too, but I think the breakage will naturally stop if I keep using this product. As the new hair grows in, it's just going to make your hair healthier, and as the hair is moisturized and isn't so dry. Wow, this is a wow. I can see why they named it wow. I was watching, this was also named on a bunch of awards. I think it was on like CBS News. It was like featured on, but the Dream Coat was the one product I saw featured. This was featured on a couple things too. So, I mean, that's it guys, I'm done. That took me 2 seconds to run that through my hair. Normally, that's like a full out production for me. It usually takes me a good, to straighten my hair, probably 15 to 20 minutes. I didn't have to do each little individual strand because the product smoothed my hair out. It looks so nice. It looks so nice. Okay, so I'm impressed. Oh, I'm so excited about this. So again, this is by colorwow. It is a dream cocktail infused with coconut, and then they have the carb and the kale. So go check those guys out. But I'm happy. I mean, you guys see with your own eyes. Like, I didn't have to do much after blow drying. It was pretty much done. So I mean, you guys don't know, I haven't done a ton of hair videos, but my hair is I have so much of it, and it's like, usually when I blow dry, it's just like a white girl afro. That's what it's like. And then it's a ordeal to straighten my hair, and I've always had to use it on the highest setting to be able to do so. So the fact that I got beautiful straight hair, which actually I still had volume too. I mean, it's still fluffy. I'm impressed. I'm impressed, colorwow. I think if I keep using it, my hair is just going to get healthier and healthier. So I'm excited to continue to try to use this product. I am sweating in here, as you can see. Well, some of the shine is because I used that Innisfree. It's like a gel on my face, like I don't know what it is, like a glass coating kind of thing from before you use your makeup. So, because I haven't put makeup on yet, so we're getting ready to do that. So very cool. All right, I've got another product I want to share with you too, which I'm going to also try out with you. So we're going to go in the other room for that. So hang on. Okay guys, quick correction on the hair. I do not have a promo code for the colorwow hair. I have a promotion for this next product. So, but I did check on their website. It looks like if you sign up for, you get a discount on your first purchase. So go to their website, you'll get a discount. Actually, it was a bigger discount than the promo I had thought I had for you. So, but the promo is actually for this next item. So I also, Octoly gives you the opportunity to get 5 items at any given time, and I just did a review of 3 of those items that were more like makeup based and stuff with like Lancome. In fact, I'm wearing the Lancome blush today. And one of the items that I selected, and it just didn't come in at the same time, was this Good Chemistry Sugarberry perfume. First of all, the packaging, I mean, it's so cute. It's so cute. So, and so a little bit of details about this product for you. So I believe this, you get 1.7 ounces with this. Yeah, 1.7 fluid ounces with this. And this retails for $24.99. I do have a promo code. This is one you can get for 15% off, and the link will take you right there. Now this invokes images, it says, of pink sands in paradise. This is kind of a lighter, flirty, fruity scent, and it has notes of freesia, raspberry, and vanilla. It says happy, sweet, and irresistible is how they would describe it. This is also vegan and cruelty-free, and it is made with essential oils. There's no parabens or propylene glycol. So good, healthy, clean item for you here. And again, it comes in this cute box, and what's it say on the back? Because it matters to us, this perfume is vegan and cruelty-free with essential oils. We're also really happy it doesn't contain parabens or propylene glycol. Right, what I said. Okay. Doesn't have a lot of, really does not have a lot of ingredients. So the ingredients are alcohol, dinette, fragrance, water, fragrance with essential oils of cedarwood and sandalwood, and then the fragrance of the raspberry, vanilla, and freesia. All right, so, and they have a lot of really nice items up on their website. I was taking a look around. So this is a good nice size for under $25, I think. And I mean, these same sizes elsewhere retail for quite a bit, but again, it's got the cute little matches, the packaging in silver, and then you've got the little raspberries, and it says sugar berry on it. All right. Okay, so I'm gonna put this on. Now, this item I know I like already. To me, this is a little bit of a lighter scent. So depending on what kind of scent you like, if you're one that likes more of a musky scent, this is not it. This is more of a fruity, light scent. It's a sweet scent. It's so hard to describe a scent to somebody else, especially through YouTube, but this is more of a sweet, fruity, flirty scent. I typically think that this might be a better one for me during the summer months. I typically will wear these type of scents in the summer and then wear more of a musky scent in the winter time. So, but I do really like this scent, and I think this is also great for a daytime scent, more for when you just really want to smell pretty, but you don't want anything super heavy. I think that this will be a good choice for you. So I'm going to go ahead and put it on. It has your typical little, pump spray here. You don't really need a lot with this. Like even that might have been a little too much. The scent will diffuse over time, but I noticed that when I wore this, I was wearing it and smelling it literally all day. So the scent lingers. It's not something that I felt like I needed to reapply throughout the day, which I like because I feel like you get better bang for your buck if you can just spray it once and be done for the day. I don't like when you have a perfume and then like it's gone after a couple hours of wearing and you constantly have to replenish it. So this is a nice scent. I think you guys will like it. I guess it does have, because of the sandalwood, it does have a little bit of a musk scent in it, but not really a ton. So I think you guys will like this scent. Check out Good Chemistry. If you like other types of scents, they have a whole list of scents that run the gamut, and a whole bunch all made with essential oils, all vegan, all cruelty-free, really good. And this one, I do have the promo code for 15% off. I'll have that listed in the description box below for you guys. I'll see you guys in a little bit. I know this was sort of a little bit of a shorter, sweeter video. I just wanted to really showcase these two items. Both links will be below for you if you want to check them out. Thank you to Octoly, Good Chemistry, and colorwow. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and like the video. I'll see you.